it's AJ, and I got a package here from Northweigan lockpicker. I sent him a bunch of locks the other day, and he's blasting through them, man. That's great. I love it. And he sent me some. You know, hey, it's the way it works. So let's see what we got. We can open this up. There we go. Hope there's nothing fragile in here. Everybody loves packages, man. It's just kids at Christmas time. That's the way it is. Pull all this crap right out of here. Get the bag off the table. I think that's everything. Cool. Alright. This is just awesome. I don't care how old you are, man. Just love getting stuff. Let's see what we got here. Okay, this is his first challenge lock. Northweigan challenge lock number 1, the ring. Cool. Actually honored to pick the first one, man. And I guess since the key is on there, we're going to leave it on there for the moment. There we go. That should be interesting. Yeah, to me, that's an honor picking someone's first challenge lock. So, yeah, thank you, man. I appreciate that. Get out of the way. Kind of hard to read. Nerve damage, a second challenge lock. Very cool. Awesome, man. Got some good penmanship there with that Dremel, brother. I can't do that good. That's pretty cool. Awesome, man. I'm looking forward to these. I'm going to bust into one of these here in a few minutes, I think. Alright. Get crap out of the way. More packing material. We'll never have enough of that. Oh, sweet. Alright. Ruger. Never picked one of these before. That should be fun. Now, I have to assume this is Ruger firearms, but I don't know for a fact. There's the keyway on that. Interesting. Surprisingly, there's a pretty good bidding on there. I think that's pretty fun. That has to be Ruger firearms, man. That's their logo right there. Grab a gun and I'll find out, but yeah. And then it's a 40 millimeter. Can't read it. I don't think it's a master. Kind of looks like a master, but I don't think it is. Awesome. I'm gonna pick that one too. Alright, man. Thank you, brother. Appreciate it. Really, really do. This will be some fun picking, and like I said, I'm going to dive right into one of yours here in a few minutes. Alright, everybody. Thank you for watching. Stay safe, stay legal, stay lawful. Keep your picks where they belong. Keep on picking.